Hello everyone, this is how we proudly kept the world moving at Breakbulk 2023.
"2023 is a very special year for us as we celebrate our 30th year in business.
We are at the world's largest project cargo and breakbulk event with our biggest and most impressive presence.
Yes, our booth was twice as big as last year and featured our unique Revolving globe bar to show how our network of offices and professionals keep the world moving with tailor-made global solutions.
From around the world, our leaders reunited at Breakbulk. This was our opportunity for us to strengthen relationships with partners and clients and cultivate new connections for promising business opportunities.
We had a fantastic time networking with you.
Thank you for visiting us and making Breakbulk Europe 2023 a huge success for us all. And remember, for all your supply chain needs, we are here for you.